Hey, so welcome to episode 41 of Credit 101. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys about what you guys can do if the credit reporting agency, or say if the collection company or the creditor does not respond. So understand that these companies have to respond in 30 days. When you guys send out letters to them, they have to respond in 30 days. If they do not respond, these are the different things that I personally do, and I suggest that you guys also look into doing. Okay. Send a follow-up letter to the CEO or the chairman of the board. That's something that I always like to do. I look on the Better Business Bureau and I can get the actual address of that company, and I can also see who's actually the CEO. And I will send a certified letter. You guys, make sure you guys send it certified. Send a certified letter directly to that chairman or whoever it is, the CEO. And here is that certified letter, just in case you guys don't know. Send a certified letter to them and let them know that, hey, I sent a dispute to you guys. You guys did not respond. I will also include a copy of the certified receipt, because I told you guys send out your dispute certified. I will also include a copy of that letter that you sent. And then also, if you guys do all those different steps, you guys can send a complaint in to the CFPB. So that's something else I suggest. Send a complaint into the CFPB, and usually you're going to get a response back to them way sooner than 30 days. So send a complaint in, let them know that they did not respond. These accounts are unverifiable. And then a lot of times you may see these accounts get removed, or you may see other things happen with these accounts. So that's a great option. You can also send a complaint in to the Better Business Bureau. And this is just to show them that you're not playing about this account. You need to get this taken care of. You're not going to back down off of it. Send a complaint in to the Better Business Bureau. And that's something I've done multiple times. I do suggest that you guys do that also. And also, when they do not respond, send a complaint, not a complaint, but send it also to the credit bureaus. And this is if the companies don't respond. Send a copy of what you have sent to the company, the creditor, collection company. Send a copy of that to the credit bureaus. Let them know that that account is unverifiable. You send out something certified. You did not get a response. It's no way that this account is a verified account. They need to remove that account from your credit reports. Okay. Now, if for some reason the credit bureaus did not respond, and that's who we're actually arguing with, then I suggest that you guys do the Better Business Bureau for them and the CFPB also. So do those different things. Now, I got tired also of them not responding to me or sending these regular responses. So I just sued the company, and we actually settled outside of court. That's what I had to do. And I just felt so bad too, for me to be the credit lady. I'm telling you guys about these different things. I have gotten this account deleted from a lot of people. I don't know if they was testing me, or I don't know what it was, but I just sued them, and it worked out way better for me. So I'm happy that I went through that route of suing them. And now I know, top to bottom, what to do, what to say now. But you may want to think about suing them also. And let me know if you guys have any questions at all about suing them, because I'll be happy to answer that. Now, in the next one, we're going to talk about the credit reporting agency, about them correcting accounts and removing disputed information from your credit report. So we're going to go through all of that, what you should do after this stuff get deleted. And we're going to talk about that in episode 42. So I'll see you all there.